Today's class I am going to discuss about how to realize the Boolean function by using NOR gate. So previous video we discussed the same thing by using NAND gate. If you need it, kindly refer the video. So in this daily session we have 4 steps. We will discuss one by one. Step 1. So first step, draw the logic diagram by using AOI cycle, the given Boolean expression. So here the given Boolean expression is AB plus CD the whole bar. So A dot B, it requires one AND gate. So C dot D, here requires another AND gate. This sum term, I need one OR gate. The complement form, I need one NOT gate. So in this Boolean expression, we have a 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate, 1 NOT gate. So totally I need 4 gates required to design this Boolean expression. So the step 1 is the given Boolean expression is converted into logic cycle by using AOI. So AND or inverter logic gates. So in this Boolean expression I need 2 AND gate because here we have a 2 product term A dot B and C dot D. So first AND gate input is A and B, second AND gate input is C and D. Output of these 2 AND gate is given to input of OR gate. Then I need the complement form of this Boolean expression. So here I am using one inverter. So after inverter you will get the same expression A dot B plus C dot D the whole bar. So output of the AND gate is A dot B. Here the second AND gate output is C dot D. Then OR gate is sum of these 2 product term A dot B plus C dot D. So after the inverter you will get the complement form of this expression. It's a step 1. Then come to step 2. So step 2. So wherever AND gate is present, just you add the bubble, the input of the AND gate. Add bubble at the input of AND gate. So add bubble at the input of AND gate. Add bubble at the output of OR gate. So it's a step 2. So input side of AND gate I add the bubble. So A is the input, here B is the input. Then second AND gate also I add the bubble at the input side C and D. So output of these 2 AND gate is given to input of OR gate. Then add bubble from the output side. Then one inverter. So it's a output Y. This one is the step 2. So step 2 is add bubble at the input of AND gate. Add bubble at the output of OR gate. Just to follow these 2 steps, you will get the diagram like this. Then come to step 3. So step 3. So wherever you add the bubble in the circuit, you just introduce one inverter. So wherever add the bubble, here add one inverter. Here input is A and B. Then C and D. Here also I introduce the bubble, so I add one inverter. Here input is C and D. Output of these 2 AND gate is given to input of the OR gate. Then here one bubble. So I add one inverter. Already the circuit present one inverter. So after introduce the inverter, you just check is there any series inverter connections is present. So here these two inverters are connected in series. You just ignore this inverter. So then come to step 4. So in this step 4, the bubbled input of AND gate is replaced by NOR gate. This inverter is replaced by NOR inverter. So the first inverter is replaced by NOR inverter. It's a symbol of NOR inverter. And second inverter also replaced by NOR inverter. Here input is A and B. Output of the inverter is A bar and B bar. So this output is given to bubbled input AND gate. So this bubbled input AND gate is replaced by NOR gate. So bubbled input of AND gate is replaced by NOR gate. So then come to C and D input. CD. So this inverter is replaced by NOR inverter. Then output of this NOR inverter is C bar and D bar. These two output is connected to input of second NOR gate. So this bubbled AND gate is replaced by NOR gate. So these two outputs are given to input of NOR gate. So here output of this NOR gate is A bar plus B bar the whole bar. So just apply De Morgan's theorem here. So break the bar, change the sign. So A double bar dot B double bar. So this bar cancel. So finally you get A dot B. So this A dot B is the input of this NOR gate. Then here C bar plus D bar the whole bar. So here also you apply the De Morgan's theorem. So break the bar, change the sign. C double bar dot D double bar. This bar cancel. So we will get the final answer is C dot D. So C dot D. So this value is apply the input of here. So output of this NOR gate is A dot B plus C dot D the whole bar. So these two expressions are same. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.